Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at distributive property. We're just going to do some basic distributing when we distribute the outside number or the coefficient to the binomial to the inside terms. So let's take a look at a few examples. Okay, so we're going to use a distributive property to write an equivalent expression. Okay, so here we have numbers outside of the parentheses, and notice that they're up next to them. That means you're multiplying, but you're not just multiplying against one of the terms, you're multiplying against every term inside the parentheses. So let's take a look at our first one here. 9 times h plus 10k. So we're going to distribute that 9, and notice that h doesn't have a number listed as a coefficient, but that number is 1, understood 1. So we're going to do 9 times the coefficient of that variable. So 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times 10 is 90. So you got 9h plus 90k. So on the next one here, we're going to distribute that 7 toward every term inside. So we're going to multiply against the 7, the 4, positive 4, and the negative 5 here. So you have 7 times 7, which is 49, 7 times 4, which is 28, and then 7 times 5, which is 35. So you got 49r plus 28s minus 35. Okay, on this next example, we're going to have 8 times 2n plus 8. So we're going to distribute that 8 times the 2, and then 8 times the 8. So 8 times 2 is going to get us 16n, and 8 times 8 is going to get us 64. Alright, let's look at our last example here. We're going to have 10 times every term inside the parentheses. 10 times 5r minus 5s plus 7. So we're going to distribute that 10. And then 10 times 5, problem. Here we go. 10 times 5, it gives 50r. 10 times 5 gives 50s here, and 10 times 7 gets you 70. Okay, and notice if we had a negative on the number on the outside that we was distributing, then it would change the signs to everything inside the term. But on none of these was negatives. Just keep in mind that. But that's it. That's the basics of distributive property. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.